how to delete all tweets and likes on Twitter. So if you want to delete all of your tweets and likes on your Twitter, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Twitter or your X application and make sure to log into your account. And the other thing you need to make sure is to update the application. Once you've updated, log in, and once you've logged in, go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and tap on profile. Now once you tap on profile, here you will have all of your posts, right? So if you want to delete all of your posts, then you can simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then you can tap on delete post to delete the post. Or you can simply go with the likes section under your profile, tap on likes. Once you're under the likes, now here you will have all of your liked posts. So for example, I don't have anyone, so I'll be just liking something or some post. And after that, go with the profile and go with likes, and here you will have all of the liked posts. So now you can simply go and unlike the post. Once you've unliked, then your likes will be removed. But this is individually. So if you want to delete all of that at once, then you just need to simply open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here on the search, you just need to simply search for help.twitter.com/forms, again /privacy/question. You just need to simply search for it. Once you've searched for it, you will get help kind of interface. You will get the help center. Under your help center, you can go with I want to ask a question regarding TikTok account information, and then you need to go with an option which is related to you, and after that you need to enter your question. So under your question, you need to write that I want to delete all of my tweets at once, or I want to delete all of my likes at once. And you can also scroll down, and then you can enter your full name, your Twitter username, and then your email address and your country of residence. And after entering all of the information, you can simply go with submit. And once you've submitted, within 24 hours, you will receive a mail, or you will receive some help from the help center, and you'll be able to delete. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.